All right, back at the bench. New day, new topic. This time, it's going to be my RC crawler. I haven't had this out in about over a year. I built it probably 3, maybe 4 years ago now. So I thought, hey, might be time to get it back out. And what better way to get it back out than with some new tires? So I was looking at these guys the other day when I pulled it out, and those original BF Goodrich tires on this Axial look pretty, they look pretty old, right? Rubber gets kind of shiny, smooth, whatever. And I never really did like the way they worked. So I went out and I found these Pitbull tires. And these are the Rock Beast 1.9. They got a pretty aggressive tread pattern compared to the original BF Goodrich tires. Then I also picked up some new rims to go with it. So let's get these installed. Then let's take the truck outside and go from there. Alright, we got the tires off. We got the new tires unpacked. I'm going to unbox the wheels and then let's get assembling. There we go, I got one. Man, these things feel really heavy. All aluminum machined. They've got a steel insert in them to give them some weight. But let's just do a comparison here real quick. I think it's going to look a lot better. Can't wait to get these together. Now I've not done this before, so we're going to struggle through it together. Well, I'm going to struggle through it, and you're probably going to laugh, or you'll just turn the channel off. But let's get busy. Looks like it's about a 2 millimeter hex. Looks like a stainless steel hex nut, so that's decent. Ooh. Comes with a nice machined hub, looks pretty sturdy to me. There we go. Take that apart. I think these screws are all the same length. Hopefully they are. That way we can't get them mixed up. Yep, good. I like that. But now I should have... Okay, so there's the front. Oh, that's super interesting. So I don't know if you guys can see that. How that machining is. That's pretty interesting how they did that. I thought it was the other way around. I thought this piece had the center spokes in it. Interesting, very interesting. So how does this go together? It goes like I had it? Nope, it goes like this. But it must go a certain way. Alright, I'm going to struggle with this for a minute. Oh, there we go. Goes like that. Doesn't look too bad. Get some more light on it, I guess, huh? I think these things are going to look really nice. And then again, this is a big hunk of steel. I should put this on a scale and see how much it weighs. I'll get a picture of that and put that up here maybe if I get a chance to do it. But these the tires do come with foam inserts. Looks like it's a dual stage foam, so that's kind of nice. They feel really good too. I'm probably gonna have to vent these because I don't think these bead locks are vented. Well, there's probably enough air gap in them. But anyways, yeah, let's get these put together and see what we can do. Alright, so real quick, there's what the old tires look like. And there's the new tire and rim combo. I'm kind of digging it. They do look nice. Again, there's the old tire and rim. There's the new tire and rim. Let's see if we can get a side-by-side comparison here. Trying to do this one-handed. Not working out real well. Sorry. Got some ugly hands, but yeah, there you go. Old tire, new tire. I'll get these on, and then we'll get another shot of it, and then we'll get it outside and we'll run it. Got the new tires and wheels on. I think it's looking pretty good. Let's get it out and drive it.